One thing we want to keep an eye on is a smoke, although we're not going to see such the surface-based smoke or the real air quality issues. It's not entirely going to go away too much because it's going to kind of get recycled around with the systems too. But surface-based smoke pretty much is not going to be too much an issue, but if you're near the Wisconsin River area, that is where some may persist all the way into southern Wisconsin. But look what happens when the wind flow starts turning around. This actually gets rotated back up potentially as we go into Friday, and we might see some of this come back into play. Not thinking we'll see air quality issues, but that haze in the sky may come back all the way through Friday, as there's a lot of smoke even south of us from all the fires too, kind of wrapping up. So not entirely gone quite yet. We'll see if it actually comes back even for us later in the weekend or early next week. Otherwise, increasing clouds tomorrow. The high clouds from the west, the disturbance will be coming milder. The shower chance increases on Friday, not an all-day type rain. I think better chances as you go further north, but just light showers, not expecting anything heavy amounts of rain. Milder for Saturday, but that showers comes in the afternoon potentially, and then really ramps up Saturday night into Sunday as a front comes through, and that's probably the best chance is going to be Saturday night into Sunday morning. Overall for tomorrow, really as I mentioned, we're just seeing increasing clouds, especially in the morning. It's going to start showing a little bit of shower activity develop near Minneapolis or up to the north, but I don't think a lot of that's actually going to reach the ground given how dry the atmosphere is below. But definitely cloud cover throughout the evening. It will remain probably dry, and then that is just the trend going into Thursday night. It's just more clouds. Precipitation-wise, I think will hold off until closer to Friday, but it'll be mainly north of Eau Claire. You'll see some activity develop right through there. During the morning hour, I think as you go further south, it'll be more late morning to early afternoon. But all in all, it's less likely as you go further south, you'll see a few showers, but that could change. You might need the umbrella, but overall amounts would be fairly light. Cloud cover, that will definitely be a guarantee there of Friday, keeping those temperatures down. Now going into Saturday, a few showers may develop south of the area, and even in the afternoon, we may see this may be overdoing how the coverage will end up being for Saturday afternoon. But there is a front to the north approaching that could provide a little shower activity. But then look what happens going into Saturday night and Sunday morning. Here comes a line of showers and thunderstorms that will come through Saturday night through Sunday morning. That means the severe threat's fairly low with this, but that's the activity we'll see Sunday, and then maybe more showers going into Monday. So back to temperatures, near 80 for a lot of areas, so pretty close to average, maybe a degree above tomorrow. Friday with all the cloud cover precipitation, we come back down, so cooler, maybe even some upper 60s. Saturday, we kind of flip around a little bit, maybe a degree or two warmer with some more sunshine, but there's still that shower chance in the afternoon. We'll have to keep an eye on. Right now, it's fairly low, but that could change. And then Sunday, you can see ahead of the front, maybe low 70s, but north, mid 60s. So there's going to be some cooler air coming in for Monday. Monday looks the coolest day of the week, with many areas probably staying in the 60s with showers going on. And then if you want the warmth in the 80s, the middle of next week to the end, looks like we'll get back into the mid 80s, potentially warmer if things pan out too. So I love these temperatures. I know some people would probably like the warmth than the humidity, but you might see that later next week.
Sure, everyone's going to be happy at some point.
Yeah, we still got plenty of the summer to go. July and August, we still got plenty of time to get the warmth. Yep.
Thank you, Greg.